Thought for the day, Salok, तजो से आनप सुरजनो सिमरो हर हर राय एक आस हर मन रखो नानक दुख भरम पहो जाए अर्थात गिव अप योर cleverness. Good people remember the Lord God, your King. Enshrine in your heart your hope in the one Lord. O Nanak, your pain, doubt, and fear shall depart. Unit 1 Solid State, Part 4 by Amrik Singh, PGT Chemistry. Packing efficiency. Packing efficiency is the percentage of total space filled by the particles. Given by the formula P for packing, E for efficiency, volume occupied by the sphere divided by total volume multiplied by the 100. It is packing efficiency. Packing efficiency in a simple cubic lattice. In a simple cubic lattice, A, the edge length is will equal to 2r. That's r is the radius of packing sphere. Okay, then packing efficiency will be volume occupied by the sphere divided by total volume and multiplied by 100. Then number of atoms in simple is just 1. 1 multiplied by volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. And volume according to edge length is 2r, length breadth height, therefore 2r cube divided and multiplied by 100 and we get answer the 52.36. Let's draw a cube. The edge length is equal to 2r as shown here. And let's now calculate the efficiency of packing in BCC structure. The calculations are shown. Let us explain these calculations. First draw BCC structure. I am drawing the BCC structure and names are given A, B and here triangles to EFD triangle 1 is we given in the calculation. Then triangle EFD left side B square here. B square will be equal to EF square and ED square. EF is equal to A, ED is equal to also as A square to A square. Then B will be equal to root 2A. Now in triangle AFD, in triangle that is in yellow AFD. Now AFD we have B and we have C and we have AD. AD is equal to edge of the length and B we have already calculated. Now C square will be B square plus AD square, that is B square is A square, B square is root 2A, that is 2A square and AD is A square, then we get 3A square, C is equal to root 3A. Come here, but C is also R plus R plus R plus R. 4R comparing 1 and second, we'll get root 4R will be equal to root 3A and A will come 4R by root 3 and put this value in packing efficiency formula. In place of total volume we will write 4r by root 3 cube and a volume occupied by sphere we already know 4 by 3 pi r cube. Number of atoms in BCC is 2 and packing efficiency comes out to be 68% here. Packing efficiency in HCP and CCP structures. Again, our main motive is to draw the relation between A and R for HCP and CCP structures. For this, we will have to draw the HCP or CCP structure first, and we are drawing. And face-centered situation is between A and C. The corner spheres are at corners A and C sphere, and the sphere in between these two is at face center. Okay, let A be the edge of unit length and B be the face diagonal and R the radius of packing sphere. In triangle A, B and C, AC square will be AB square and BC square. AB is equal to A, BC is also A, and therefore 2A square. B is equal to 2 root A by mathematical calculation, but B is R plus R plus R plus R is also 4R. Comparing 1 and 2, we will get A is equal to 2 root 2R. Putting this value in packing efficiency formula, The packing efficiency comes 74%. The number of atoms in FCC are 4. Therefore, number of atoms 4 are put it here. Density of crystalline solid. Density is equal to mass upon volume. Okay, mass of a unit cell is number of atom in unit cell and mass of one atom. Therefore, number of atom are represented by Z and mass of one atom is molar mass divided by Avogadro number. Okay, volume of the unit cell A cube, that is A is the edge length of unit cell. Put these values mass and volume in equation number 1 and we get density Z into M divided by N naught and 1 by A cube. Now there are one density, second M and third one is Z, fourth one is edge length. We have four quantities. He will give us three and ask to calculate the fourth one. By doing these on whether doing these numericals, we will have to keep in mind that all the unit, all the quantities should have same units. Only then our numerical will be correct. There are some homework or numerical problems based on density and some more problems from NCERT book. There are 13 questions based on density. Thank you for watching. Thanks.